Now, the escalating trade war is having a major impact on people's pocketbooks and on the stock market. Financial analyst Dennis Brewster is here to break down what this all means. Thanks so much for being here.
Oh, you're welcome. Thanks for having me.
So, Dennis, the first thing is Larry Kudlow, the president's economic advisor, just said both sides will suffer in this. We're both going to feel the pain. Question is, how long does it take where most Americans, all of us, can start feeling this?
Well, I think that's the big question. Everybody's trying to get to an agreement here that makes sense for both sides. Right now, we're going through the difficult process, and it's a messy process to get to where we want to be. So in the meantime, all of us might start paying a little bit more for those goods that you're importing from China.
How long, I guess, does that take for the average person? I was reading somewhere that, I mean, since this started last Friday, it takes a little while for those things to get shipped over here, so it's not going to be an instantaneous thing.
Right. It's not something you're going to see tomorrow if you go to the store, but you could start seeing it maybe possibly in a month or two, just depending on how long everything takes to filter through. So it's not where either side wants to be, but we're in probably the negotiating process right now. So everybody's trying to get to a spot that's better for both sides. In the these are the two world's largest economies. We need each other, and we've got to get there. But right now, we're seeing the difficult side of getting there.
All right, let's say this continues, and let's talk about stocks right now. Of course, locally, Qualcomm was down 2.5% today. Jack in the Box not down so bad today, 0.3%. Illumina down almost 5%. These are our three largest employers, or three of the largest employers here in San Diego. At what point would this start affecting jobs? Do we have to be worried about that?
It could if things get worse. You've seen predictions that could start affecting the GDP anywhere from 0.5% to 1%, which would be pretty drastic. But part of this, too, is you have to remember where we were in the first quarter. I mean, the markets were beyond good, up 15 to 20%. We couldn't continue that forever. So we were ripe for a decline, and then you get the trade war or the tariffs, however you want to phrase it, on top of it. And, that's what creates the decline.
It's going to be long-term. Be patient.
It's hard when you're in the middle of it. But yes, that's without a doubt. That's the best thing to do.
Got it.
All right. Dennis Brewster, thanks so much for being with us.